Now what we've seen just above with the while loop and the break is an elegant solution, and in fact it's the way you would do it in many languages, but Python offers you another shortcut. So in Python, a file handle is itself an iterable, meaning that you can loop over it, and if you try to loop over a file handle, what happens is that your loop variable takes on the values of the lines in the file one at a time, at least for text files. So if we go and look at the former example, we see that we have a loop that's in principle not exiting, and we read within it, we read one line, and then we check, and if a line is empty, we go out of the loop. Down here, this is replaced by that. The rest of the code is the same. In fact, we write for ll in fasta. So you see we're looping over the file handle, and ll takes on the values of the lines of fasta one at a time, and we just need to strip that and concatenate it to the protein sequence, and then the loop ends once the file is all read. So at that point we can just close it. The result is the same as what we've seen above, but this is a very convenient way of writing it.